You can be gluten-free and have your red velvet cake too, thanks to this recipe submitted by Allrecipes member Kay Tonks. She describes it as a gluten-free version of red velvet cake that has the lovely red color and the soft texture that everyone loves. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans with gluten-free flour. For the dry ingredients, place 3/4 cup of brown rice flour into a large bowl and add 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 3/4 cup of sorghum flour, 3/4 cup of tapioca starch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk the dry ingredients together and set the bowl aside. You should be able to find all of these items in a specialty food store or online. Now, pour 1 cup of canola oil into a large bowl. And add 1½ cups of sugar. Using an electric mixer, beat the sugar and oil until it's well combined, about 1 minute. Then, one at a time, add 2 room temperature eggs, beating after each addition until they're fully incorporated. Add 3/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. And stir it in. Next, you'll add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients in thirds, alternating with 1 cup of buttermilk. So, on medium speed, beat in 1/3 of the flour. Then 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Then 1/3 of the flour. The remaining 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And finally end with the rest of the flour mixture until it's just combined. Now, for that famous red color, pour 1 ounce of red food coloring into a small bowl and add the remaining 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir the ingredients to form a paste. Then gently mix it into the batter until it's well combined. Pour the batter into the cake pans, dividing it equally. And bake them in the oven about 25 minutes. Test for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of the cake to see if it comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely on a wire rack. Invert them onto a cake stand or plate and frost them with your favorite frosting. Allrecipes member Betty Loves to Cook raves, "You've restored my faith in gluten-free desserts. I can now comfortably say delicious and gluten-free in the same sentence." Another member named Stephanie notes that the batter makes great cupcakes. Try them with your favorite frosting.